he's been around for a long time. Very specific, flat-like head here, like that. And then we'll do his first eye, right about there, just like that. And he's got some fun eyelids right about there, with a funny pupil, right like that. And then we can draw his other eye, right like this, but only halfway. There we go, with the other eyelid coming up a little bit like that, and his other pupil there. Now what we can do from here is continue his snout, straight out like that, big old long snout, and then his nose will come in like this and that, and we're gonna join this up a little tricky like, just like that. And then we're gonna come in and make it like a V here, right about there. That's looking nice. I'll give him some lips right here, one, and another one right about here like that. Bring it all around like that, looking nice. And then what we can do is give him his mouth. Open mouth right about here. Give him a bit of a smile coming up like that. Cheeks. And we'll smile it on out just like that. There we go. Give him a bit of a chin here, just like that. And then we can bring his face up right about here. Okie dokie. Now he's starting to look a little panther-like. Bring his neck down like that. Other side of his neck up like this. And we'll continue his head up like that. Right about there. Now we can draw his ears. Right here. One, and the other one down here like that. Just like his eyes were. Looking nice. Here's the inside of his ears. One. The other one's looking the other way, so we don't have to draw the inside. Let's give him some eyebrows. Right above his head like that. One and two. That's a good looking Pink Panther face. There we go. Now let's give him a body. His body can come all the way down like this. Let's give him some arms like that. Bending and low, give him the thumbs up perhaps. Let's let him have the thumbs up. A thumb right about there. Give him a bit of a fist like. One, two, three. Join it on up. There we go. Continue his arm back up like that. Looking nice. Other arm up here like that with a shoulder. Looking nice. Continue his belly down, right where his thumb was. All the way down here. Here's the inside of his back. There we go. Bit of a bum for the Pink Panther there. Looking sweet. Alrighty, let's continue his other arm around here. Give him another thumb up here. Looking nice. And another fist here. One, two, and three fingers for his paw. Looking nice. Here we go. Continue that down. Okie dokie. Let's give the Pink Panther some legs. One and two. And now what we can do is we can draw his feet. Pretty simple. One, right about there like that. Join his legs up here like this. Bring his belly over like that. And his other leg here like this. And that was the other foot. There we go. Little club foot like that with some toes. Looking sweet, everybody. Now all we need is a tail. And the inside of his chest here. We'll call that his belly. Right in like that. Looking sweet. Finish it off with some whiskers. Alright everybody, let's get to the color. First of all, we've got pink for the body, light pink for the belly and his lips, and yellow for his eyes. There we go. Thanks everybody.